The wreckage I'm sitting on here looks like the kind of thing you might be used to seeing scattered around the River Thames. Some kind of shipwreck. Well, you'd be right to an extent, but would you know that this was in fact pivotal in the D-Day landings of 1944? Ferroconcrete barges made of reinforced concrete were attached to Mulberry harbours used by the Allied forces as platforms for supplies. After wartime, a Mulberry harbour was carried down the Thames along with the concrete barges. Possibly the Mulberry harbour stranded, broken in part off of the Southend coast today. This barge was moored up not too far from here, but eventually it sprang a few holes, became worse for wear and had to be stranded here at Canvey Point, where it stood as a local haunt for many, many decades. In 2003, however, the sailing club nearby decided to knock it down as it was an eyesore, creating a hotspot for all kinds of mischief by the local children. And although health and safety was a factor, it wasn't done entirely rightly, and overnight the barge was destroyed, leaving only the very base standing. It's here today, but it will be held in the fond memories of many Canvey Islanders.